Hello all, this is TechyK, and I'm coming to you today to do an unboxing of a Bluetooth keyboard. I know there's lots of other choices out there, but you're wondering why Jellycomb? What is this? So one thing that definitely attracted me to this Bluetooth keyboard was the fact that it's foldable. That was one of the big things that attracted me to it. So I said, let me give this a try. And it was definitely at a cheaper cost here. So I said, let me look at a budget wireless keyboard, Bluetooth keyboard, because I'm currently a Samsung S20 owner, and I actually like to use the Samsung DeX. And I wanted something, I didn't want to have a separate mouse, a separate keyboard, and all that. So I said, what about a touchpad and a keyboard, and something I can just fold up and just throw in my computer bag and take with me on trips, or not that I'm traveling now with this virus, but let's get started. So right now this is the Jellycomb. I found this here on Amazon while I was in my searching, saying I need something that I just want to fold easily, throw in the bag, and no worries. So this here is by Jellycomb, so let's get the unboxing going. I'll show you the back here, what I found. So let me do this unboxing here. Okay, so let's see here. Came in a nice little plastic bag. Ooh, nice little user manual, as you can see here. Who needs that anyway? Who's going to read it? It's a keyboard. It's a mouse. Okay, and what else is coming in this box? That's it? Wow, can't believe it. That's all. So, okay. Okay. So let's relax this here. Okay, so it looks like it comes with a knowing USB micro USB here. Not USB-C, but it's a keyboard. It's a wireless keyboard, so it's just used for charging, so no big deal. Let's take this here. Ooh. Okay, so you see here, unfolded the keyboard here. As you see, there's the feet here for stability, so I can unravel this. Move this up here. It definitely takes a little bit of force to slide it, so that's a very good thing. So I definitely like this. Is definitely a good bonus feature here. On the back here, you can see the charging. This is actually the Bluetooth sync button, and then you have the off and on button. Actually, let me do this the right way. So off and on button, off and on button here. Bluetooth sync, USB port. Not like as I said before, it's not a USB-C, but because it's just a keyboard, I'm not worried about it. It's not me doing any heavy-duty lifting. But the one other thing I do like about this Bluetooth keyboard is you can actually use this plugged into your computer and actually use this as a external or USB keyboard and touchpad as well. So that's not that I'm really going to need that, because I have plenty of USB keyboards. But for this to travel, this will definitely be a good travel companion. But I will open this up here. Actually, let me switch this on. You see there, automatically you see the Bluetooth thing go on there. And actually gonna go and pair this with my phone. So give me 1 second here. So I'm gonna click this pair button on top here. Click and hold. And as you see, the blue lights there is flashing. So I'm gonna go ahead and try this again one more time. Yep. Okay. And voila, connected. So now I'm gonna go and just do some simple tests here, where I'm going to let's go find a video and do some or at least do some simple tests here. I'm gonna go ahead and go into my Samsung Notes and give you a example of some of this. Okay, so here is my Samsung Notes. I'm gonna go ahead and do my, as you see here, as soon as I started using the touchpad here, I automatically get the mouse. That's definitely a huge plus there. And let me see. This is a test of your emergency keyboard systems. I'm not a fast typer or anything, so I have to look at the keyboard, so I cheated a little. But yeah, so far I like it's nice easy flow. That is all for this test at this moment, and I'm definitely liking this. I'm gonna go ahead and switch this off here and fold this up. It's definitely compact. I'm definitely liking this, and I'm looking for look forward to doing another full board review once I've had a chance to charge it up, test the battery life on it, and all that fun stuff. So stay tuned, everyone. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe. I'm on YouTube and Twitter at TechyK, and look forward to seeing y'all on the next video.